Since all of these alleged witnesses pumupuntirya kay JB Sebastian, I wouldn't be surprised anymore na he would also testify. Basta ganun ang aking ano. Yes. Yes. I cannot elaborate on that. That's why my advice to the House Committee, if they are willing to take that advice, but I think they invited also sila Villasanta, Bukayo. Yes, I would urge them to invite them. Although I would not know kung how, yung pagdi-disclose nila ng mga operational details. Would they go? Because these are operational details. Sila talaga yung mga nagsusupply sa akin din ng mga information to guide me on whether or not to proceed with the raid. Diba? So, sila yung nakakaalam, yung mga sources. Sila ang mga kinonsulta ko. Kung sino-sino yung mga ililipat. Kasi mga confirmed based on intel sources na mga may ano sa droga. So I would not want to further touch on that because as I said, I would want muna to hear out all of these so-called witnesses. The reason why I'm saying that he is an asset is because to dispel yung mga haka-haka na naman, yung mga malicious insinuations na the reason why hindi na muna siya sinama dun sa Bilibid 19 is because favored, protektado, and then lalo na yung insinuation na yan na siya ang kumukolekta ng pera para sa akin, or what. Let him address that. If he wants to testify, let him address that. But and para lang to dispel that insinuation na kaya ganon, hindi siya kaagad transfer is because kakontsaba namin or what, the real kontsaba there is because nanggaling sa kanya yung mga ibang informasyon. And the Bilibid 19, alam siguro nila yan. Baka patayin. But eventually, nung linipat na sila sa Bilibid 14, I was still being advised na wag na muna talaga siyang isama because of that. But sabi ko, no, we should include him. Kasi nagiging issue. May mga naririnig ako ng mga kung ano-ano. Diba? So we have to include him dyan sa Bilibid 19. So eventually, sa Building 14. So eventually, linipat siya, especially during the time of Rainier Cruz, General Rainier Cruz.
Sabi niyo po, these witnesses that were representatives were maybe coerced, intimidated, were supposed to talk.
Iba-iba.
Ano po, aside from the text messages that you're getting, ano po pwede niyo sabihin talaga directly that would say na talaga they're being coerced and intimidated?
Ito kasi wala talaga akong clearance, so I don't want to really give so much detail. But remember what I also said in the privilege speech na may mga subjected to psychological torture. I know of a validated case na ganon. Linabas ng SAF, dinala sa ISAF. I won't tell you kung kailan to nangyari kasi baka matukoy nila kung sino yan. Kawawa naman. And then nung binalik, talagang signs of wala namang physical torture, but signs of psychological torture. And again, why? Why was he subjected to psychological torture? According to my source, pinipilit na naman na ituro ako.
Are you taking legal action?